Go, go, go. Yung simula ko ulit sa isa, sa Maybelline.
Hello, today I'm gonna show you about two lip balms, but I'm gonna start with this first. So, here's Baby Lips from Maybelline New York. It's just like this small, but like this. So, it doesn't give any colors. It's just plain white, and it does give a little hint of color, if you can see. It's just a little pink or whatever. That little pink. But in the tube only, it doesn't give a natural color on your lips. So, if you don't like those pink colors, you can have. So this is just like the Burt's Bees one. It's just smaller, and it looks like the other chapsticks that you have on it. The packaging is very cute, and it's like cotton candy or Candy Wonderland or whatever. So this is the flavor, antioxidant berry, and it comes on orange, antioxidant berry, soothing cherry, and menthol. But the menthol is, I forgot the real name of it. It's just the tree that I remember. There it is. It's a Baby Lips. It's like this big. It's like this big, and yeah, it's like this big, and as you can see, it's like a little fat or whatever. That it's like this big. So it's easy to carry around your bag or your pouch everywhere. I always try these at school and on wherever I go to mall. Since tomorrow we'll be going to a mall, I will wear this. And of course we'll be getting out of the house. So this is it. I always wear this. Now for the next lip balm is the Lip Ice Color. The Lip Ice Color is it's melted. It's like this red color, but if you could just see it, it's okay. It's like pinkish red like that. But as you see a while ago, I actually showed you swatches about this collection. If you're wondering why I showed you next this Lip Ice Color, why I showed you now, because it's actually this is very moisturizing, and this is the last one. But what I don't like about this is the packaging. I can't understand, because if sometimes this fall in this part falls off. So it's kind of like this big. The Baby Lip is smaller, but the Baby Lips is more bigger. This part. It looks like the Soft Lips one. The Soft Lips is kind of bigger, maybe, and it's like a white plain Soft Lips. So for this, I always try this if I want something of color, maybe, and good for the lips, and cool to the lips, because it's actually lip ice. Oh, I forgot. I have another lip balm which I lost. It's lip ice also, but it's pink. It's just like this big. I hope it's correct. It's like this big, and I mean it's like as big as the Baby Lips, but it's white, and it have a strawberry on it, but it's also plain. So here's it. My mom just gave this to me, and that's why I like it. It's very moisturizing though, but I just wear this just sometimes, very little time. Oh, by the way, this is also moisturizing, but if it needs to, I think I find this moisturizing, because it's more like a lip balm than this, because you can't wear it in school since it's colored. But this one, it's not colored and it's clear, so you have a better view for it. Here it is, the two balms. See you next time on my next video.